I mean, God does a lot when I make big moves. The last big move was to quit my job and start trading and traveling, and now look, it's a multi-million-dollar empire. So, hey, let's see what happens in this big move.
I never thought she'd be moving to Puerto Rico. I found out about Puerto Rico probably about a month and a half ago, 2 months. That this was it was a possibility at that time, and I was like, oh yeah, you're not gonna go. Anybody, yeah, you're not gonna go. Now we're leaving next week, so it's going to be okay for her because she's looking at it as kind of relaxing, and that's what she needs. She needs some relaxation and time to just kind of do self-care and self-perspective, reflection, and that kind of thing. So I'm kind of looking forward to it. Don't like it too much, but I'm looking forward to it. So that's why I am on it, because I do hear that it is a very beautiful place. But then I need to go down there again, mama approved, and make sure that everything is okay. And
if I'm really doing this, I gotta literally move to Puerto Rico, which means I have to cut ties in Texas, which is crazy. So that's the piece that's like the sacrifice of having to like rebuild. And then like there is a nice thing about like having family in Dallas.
All right, let's go. 5-star restaurant, pool on the roof.
Voila! Yeah.
is that burnt up?
It's burnt for you. This is for my sister and my sister.
Does she deserve it?
She deserves it. I mean, it's all love, man. I mean, Ken's Famous Waffles, we want to make you happy. And the best way to do that is to feature my waffles.
Ooh, I love the haircut.
Right. Right, that's not even something we should try to remember.
My booty is side to side.
We're on the episode of When Keeping It Real Goes Wrong.
Do I think that it's going to be beneficial? Heck yeah. Do I think that I'm going to have fun there? Yes. All the people that are going to come and visit, and I've always wanted this creator's house where different creators from, you know, all different types of content get to come and relax and vibe and mastermind.
Recollect, reflect, and just stop and smell the roses and look at all the things that she's done for so many people.
And I'm excited for the inspiration that I'm going to be able to give. Like, there's so many people who have never seen something like this done. They've never seen a young black girl affording this, you know, $1 million home, the aspirational goals that people will get to like make because they see me do it and now they can do it.
I'm just sad that we're not going to be able to see her as much as we usually do, because I think she's going to be gone for probably 6 months or more. But I'm going to go. It's a chance for me to go somewhere else too. So I'm going to go visit her in Puerto Rico. So I'm looking forward to it.
Mm-hmm. What about your shoes and things? I know you're looking at 75 to 85 degree weather.
The hats, those are grannies. I want to keep them. Casual and business.
Yeah. Doing some things, going places, meeting people.
And then we'll just ship 4 large boxes with these 2 sides.
Okay.
And then
like gourmet boxes.
Garment.
Uh-huh. Gourmet.
Yeah, you were hungry.
I was.
What was that?
I was kind of. Yeah, I'm a little hungry. So I threw gourmet boxes in there with ketchup and stuff on the box.
And ketchup and stuff.
Yeah, that's how I like my boxes.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Go pick up some gourmet boxes. Show me what they look like.
What kind of sauce you want?
The ketchup. So I can have red all over the clothes. I'm actually very scared of how this project is going to turn out. I tend to go through the list of stuff I have to do in my sleep. I heard this from my mother, who was listening to me last night and said I kept waking up saying, not that dress. Okay, I gotta go to the bank.
Last night she was talking to her sleep the whole time. And then I had to do this. I'm like, Tracy. Then I gotta do this. Yeah. Oh yeah, I turned it in. Well, okay, well I'll get it. But she talks the whole night. Her body and mind never rests. She talks the whole night. Just talk. Hey man, I ain't know whether to get up and start getting on my computer, taking notes. I ain't know what to do.
All the things that I have to do to hang. Okay, first of all, I need to get my nails done. Don't look. So I need to get my nails done. I need to get my hair done. Let's go. Well, why were you in the trash can?
That's a long story. Never really feeling loved in the home, never really feeling like I'm getting attention. I was a little girl, picked me up, my legs were stinking in the middle of the night and took me in the bathroom. And I will never forget that day. And I had to confront my molester once I got older and let him know that I forgive him. And I remember what he did: drugs, drinking, giving my body, looking to be accepted, wanted, desired. Sometimes I would blame my husband. Oh, you're the reason, but just poor choices that I made. And just really pure disobedience. You know, God trying to get my attention because I was trying to quit. And I had threw the paraphernalia away and I wasn't smoking anymore. And I'm not sure what happened that made me go back, but I will never forget that day. I went to that big green square dumpster and I started looking for all of that paraphernalia that I threw in the trash just the day before. And right there, in that moment, right there, it was like I felt the presence of God like never before. And it was just like, daughter, where are you? He doesn't disown me, Teri. He does not disown me. And when I say, Jesus, save me, so the sun just started shining. I seen it through his love for me, his overwhelming love for me. See, I always thought I had to have it all together before I could truthfully receive his love. It's my most filthiest place. You won't meet me here, and you still want to extend your mercy and grace in this place? Like, you're not going to put me away? God literally knelt down to where I was, and that was his aspect of showing me, no, girl, I'm going to show you this salvation. I'm going to show you that even when you're in the deepest, darkest place, there's nothing. The word says there's nothing that can separate us from the love of God. And I slowly began to see my life transform right before my eyes. Don't you worry about those things you're still struggling with. Just receive the love of God. Receive the love of God. And that's what I want to tell young people. Receive the love of God right where you are.
To eat dinner with a lot of my good friends, and it was kind of cool because these friends have known me forever, and they said they're going to come and help me pack. Praise the Lord, because I have packed nothing and I leave in 4 hours.
Here, you gotta wear this in Puerto Rico. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Score! We got 4 huge bags and another one. 5 big bags, my closet in a car.
That's amazing.
Yes. So there's gonna be like just a whole piece of my life just left here. Which feels weird. but it is what it is.